One of the heart of the machine is also all these magnets that are driving the particles from the source to the patient. And these magnets needs to be powered by power converter. And those magnet and power converter and all the other part of the machine needs also to be filled with water, with air pressurized. So this is what we name the infrastructure around them. So we are taking care of this power converter that power the magnets because they're really linked to each other. And we also, because we have a person that can take care of all the infrastructure in my group, so that the water hose and the air pressurized are well installed and functional. So we have power electronic expert, we have some people that have knowledge in the magnetic field and magnet per se, and infrastructure system. And we also have an expert in coding, because we have lots of electronic inside our system, and now the electronic needs lots of coding with some chips that needs to be working.